Hello friends, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving morning. I just have on some cozies and I wanted to share with y'all my mother-in-law went to New York and she brought some pastries back from Carlos Bakery. So we have been enjoying those. And then I have my Christmas spirit oil going in the diffuser and we are about to start getting ready for the day. So I actually have my parents coming over. We didn't have anything to do Thanksgiving, so we decided to do Thanksgiving breakfast together, and we are getting everything ready. Drew's making pancakes and eggs and bacon out on the grill, and my sister and her family, they had a Thanksgiving to go to with her husband's side of the family, so we did our family Thanksgiving the Friday before, which I did vlog that too. So we decided, since we didn't have anything to do, we would get up and watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade together and enjoy a big breakfast, which was so much fun.
Merry Christmas.
I hope that you and your family and friends had a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend. I know that we did, and I'm so excited to share with y'all the rest of this video. My mom and I went Black Friday shopping, we went small town shopping, and we had the Iron Bowl, and so just lots of fun to come on this video to share with y'all our family traditions. Right after breakfast, Casey wanted to go outside and play, so we loaded up our pumpkins and took them off so we could start decorating for Christmas, and then he took his nap. And then later that evening, Drew's side of the family came over and we had pizza and played some games.
That's pretty good. Same as ABC.
Good morning, happy Black Friday. So I wanted to share with y'all my outfit. It definitely needed steaming, but it's 5 o'clock in the morning, so I really don't care. It's from Christmas Village. It is so much fun. I was gonna wear red leggings with it, but it's kind of cold outside and the leggings are like that thin material, so I thought I would be fun with a cheetah sweatpant, my Uggs, and some cozy socks, and Mom and I are about to head out. Find this picture that I think is gonna make your heart stop.
Oh, no, you're fine.
I didn't even see that. This picture's distracted us.
It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you.
And we are hungry. We have a caramel latte and a mocha latte. We thought we were getting iced, but that's okay. We're at Panera Bread getting brunch, I guess. We left the house at 6 o'clock this morning. No, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock this morning, and it's 10. We've been to...
We keep thinking it's 2 o'clock.
yeah, we feel like it's time to go home, but we still have a few more places to go.
Oh!
We're in Hobby Lobby. Look how cute these picture frames are. We have hit jackpot on bows and puzzles. Look, glitter puzzles.
That white headband, that's beautiful.
Oh yeah. Our favorite place to shop on Black Friday.
You make it all okay. Oh, it's a magical
Black Friday 2025 success. I am back home and I was going to share with y'all a little haul of, well, a good haul of some things that I got out and about today. First place we went was Belk, and y'all know how much I love this print, and I've had this print trickled through our house for years now, and I feel like it's really coming into style right now. the print is like really coming back because I have seen this print everywhere. But I got this little set from Belk, this little pajama set. It's so cute and so soft. So that was the first. So then we went to TJ Maxx, and basically I bought 3 brand new sets today, but I love them and they're so nice, and I like wear this stuff all the time. This is like my mom uniform. So I got this light blue. It's like corduroy but velvet, if that makes sense. I guess it's like a corduroy look, but it's velvet and it's kind of like the wide leg. I got this little set right here. I will live in this. And also I wanted a navy blue set like this, and this is like a velvet also. So it's the pants and then the shirt. They had lots of different sets and colors. But again, I will just definitely wear the heck out of this stuff with my tennis shoes or it's connected to the pants, or my Uggs. And at Hobby Lobby, I grabbed 2 wreaths for the front of our church. And then I also needed some ribbons for our wreaths outside. I wanted to invest a little bit more into some good ribbon that didn't fade. I needed some like probably UV resistant ones or something, but I have looked and I can't find any anywhere. So I'm just gonna try to keep my eye out. Hopefully maybe those other ones I got last year, I think I got a 10 because I need 10 of them. So I think I got a 10 pack for like $20 from Amazon last year. These were $2 each from Hobby Lobby. So maybe these will hold up better, I'm not sure. If you have any ideas on where to get my ribbon or my bows already made up for a wreath outside, let me know because I need some that hold up better. So found these. These were $4 a piece to go on the bigger wreaths. So we'll see if they hold up this year. And then also, right whenever we walked in the door, this little guy was sitting there. He was about $10. And he is so cute, a teddy bear and a nutcracker. So I was like, I'm not really sure where I'm gonna set him. And my mom gave me the idea to put him in my tree. But he may be too big because I don't have anything else big that's in the tree. Could be cute on the top of the tree, I don't know. But I got him because he was too stinging cute. I wanted to find a place for him to hang out for the holiday season. And then lastly, from Hobby Lobby, y'all saw all the puzzles, and me and my family, we love putting together puzzles. It's like our favorite thing to do now. So all these were 50% off. I got this one, and my mother-in-law just went to New York. So I got this one for us to put together. My mom got one. We always swap puzzles because my mom and grandma will put them together, and then me, Addison, and Althea will put them together. So we'll swap puzzles with each other. But then this one, it has the glitter. It is so pretty. And I believe my mom got another one. Yes, it has nutcrackers all over it, and it has glitter also. But these are so, so pretty. Belk and Target definitely had the best sales. So Target, almost everything in the store was 40% off. So I grabbed these pair of slippers. I love how they have that teddy bear look to them, and then they have that V cutout. I've been, dadgummit. I don't know how that didn't beep whenever we went out, and I don't even know how I would. That's kind of on the edge. I might can just pull it off. There we go. No harm done. Okay, I have the receipt. I didn't steal those. So some red sweatpants because I wanted to have I got a pair of red leggings I was gonna wear with this, but it was just cold outside today. So I thought that the sweatshirt would be cute with red sweatpants too, and I have a lot of Christmas sweatshirts and sweaters that I needed a pair of red sweatpants for. And then I have a black pair of these that I love and I've had for years, and I thought the navy blue would be beautiful. The black ones came from Old Navy years ago, but I like these from Target because they're really soft, and they also have like a line. These are like a flared legging. These have that pretty seam going down the front, so it kind of dresses them up a bit. So I could wear it for active wear, or if I wanted to wear it for like casually cute things. So grabbed a pair of navy ones. And also from Target, I grabbed this wreath ornament. I thought it was so pretty to add to our Christmas tree. This is by I can't pronounce his name, but this is the brand. This is the guy. Oh my gosh, the details is just so pretty. I love his collaboration that he does with Target. And y'all know my big, pretty beaded turkey that I have out for Thanksgiving. It's like a pillow, but it's a stuffed turkey, and it's just bedazzled. I love it. But I got it 2 years ago by this same company. And so they had a lot of pretty things. And I loved this wreath. Also, I grabbed this from Target. Mom got one too. I could share with y'all Mom's haul, but she's already went home. And we're having Thanksgiving dinner at Miss Althea's tonight with her family. So we have been doing that Thanksgiving dinner with her family on Black Friday for years now. So I'm sharing with y'all all of this real quick, and then I have to cook a chocolate pecan pie and some other things I'll share with y'all. And then we've got to get ready, and we're having Thanksgiving over there. So a full long day. But this is such a cute little basket. It was only $10. And then I got a poinsettia from Home Depot, and I'm gonna put it in here. And then from Ross, I could not help myself. This was $15 and so cute. So I've been wanting a sweater with a bear on it that was just neutral, that didn't have any bows or anything. Mom and I were looking, and these can be taken off very easily. So I mean, it's adorable with the bows. But I'm gonna take the bows off, and it's just gonna be a teddy bear on each side. So I grabbed this cardigan, actually from Ross. You're either gonna love it or hate them. But Mom and I loved it, and I sent a picture to my sister-in-law, and she loved them. They were so cute. So I found these shoes. I just thought they were so fun. I'm gonna insert a few pictures on how I would style them, but they're just so adorable. I'm just like loving furry things. Yeah, I'm in my teddy bear era. I have been for a few years now, but anything soft like this, I'm just loving. And I thought these were so fun. So I'm gonna try to put some outfits together with these and see if I like them, if I would really wear them, and we may return them. But I wanted to get them home and just play around with them to see if this is something that I really think that I would wear a lot, because they were so cute. And they were from Ross, so you know they were inexpensive. And then lastly, from Home Depot, I got some poinsettias. I got just one for our home. I thought I was gonna put it in that basket. That's originally why I got the basket. But then they had this rosemary that's shaped like a Christmas tree, and it smells so good. So I think I'm gonna put this in our pantry in that basket. I got some other poinsettias also, but those are going at the church. So we had carts full of poinsettias, and then my mom got 4. I think she's keeping 2 and giving my grandma 2. Okay, I've made the homemade cranberry sauce, and then we're cheating with the frozen pie crust. I had that ready, and I'm making a chocolate pecan pie. I've never made this before. It was super easy, so I will let y'all know later tonight how it tastes. But Drew requested this. So it has corn syrup, cocoa powder, pecans, chocolate chips, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and eggs. And you just mix it all together and then pour it in the pie crust and then bake it. My gosh, this is overflowing. But I'm excited. It smells and looks really good. Here's what it looks like before I bake it. And if it tastes as good as it smells, we're in for a real treat. We're headed out to go eat Thanksgiving at Miss Althea's. I have on my turkey shirt that I got last year, the Queen of Sparkles. I got it at Classy Touch, and I love it so much. Water right there. And then also these faux leather pants that I got from TJ Maxx. And then these little flats, these little ballet flats. Some everyday jewels. I'm about to go get Kason ready. Hopefully his pants are done drying. I forgot to put them in the wash before I left, so hopefully they're done drying. So we're a big game playing family, and Althea bought this game called Mafia, and it was really good, so I'll link it down below. It was a lot of fun. You have to play with a lot of people though.
Well, who do we think it is?
Why isn't Dad making any moves? Dad, who do you think it is? Who's the mafia? No.
In the little town of Robinson Springs.
No.
I tried to break in the Robinson residence. Also done all I could do. But they got Kayla. Hey, He put up a hard fight. Like, okay, let's go.
Now it's Saturday morning and we're going to go small town shopping. It's small town Saturday. So we're going to go in our town and first we're going to stop at Southern Drive. And I've taken y'all in here with me before. It's so pretty at Christmas time. And I have some fun and exciting news for y'all. The plans are to go to her home to film her home for the holidays. And it is gorgeous. I've already seen some pictures. And then I wanted to share with y'all just a glimpse of her store, but I'm going to share more of her store at the end of her home tour video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. But we came in here and did a little shopping and picked up a few Christmas items. So I will share with y'all that in a bit. And then I ran into Moreland's to see them real quick, but we're going to do something fun and exciting with them as well. And then we ran next door to Cedar and Bloom and got the guys some Christmas gifts. So it was a successful shopping day. I wanted to share with y'all a few things that I got. So I picked up this bracelet. Thought it was so pretty. I loved the blue. It's like reversible. And then I also picked up this necklace and it matches the jewelry that I already own. And let's see, are they all the same? This one. But I love like how if they flip around on your neck, they have the details to it. It's so pretty. So I love those. I also picked up this book. It's a family devotional to help celebrate Jesus, the 25 Days of Christmas. And it's like an Advent devotional. Christmas in the Garden. So it goes through, has like a little prayer and then celebrate. I think it shares these like little things that you can do, like maybe little gift ideas or traditions to do. It goes all the way through. And then of course on Christmas Day, you read the story of Jesus's birth. So I'm really excited about doing this with Drew and I would say as a family, but Kaysen's not going to sit there and listen that long. So hopefully we will be able to do this as a family one day.
Yeah.
What is that, Kaysen? So it's Iron Bowl Saturday. It's Alabama versus Auburn. So we had some friends and family over and we just had some finger foods and we got to play with baby Harlan. So we just had some finger foods this night and then we also played some games while the boys watched the football game. Sunday morning, we are walking out the door heading to church. I have on this velvet dress that I got years ago from Christmas Village, from that boxwood truck, or I'll link them. I told y'all it's one of my favorite places there. I love it. It's where I got that sweatshirt that I wore Black Friday shopping. All their pieces I get from them, I keep year after year for Christmas. So I have on this dress and some boots from Amazon. We're gonna go to church. It's raining outside, it's like a rainy, cozy day. And I think whenever we get back, we're gonna get Kaysen a nap and then start working on doing Grammy's Christmas decorations.
Bye-bye.
Hey, we're going to church. Say, let's go.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
So after church, it really started raining. So I think everybody took a nap. Grammy was working on her Christmas decorations, and then Drew went hunting, and whenever he got home, we went over there and finished helping her decorate, and we finished off the Thanksgiving meal that we had. And so that was the ending of our Thanksgiving weekend, putting up some Christmas decor. Perfect ending to a beautiful weekend. I hope you and your family had a wonderful holiday weekend. Y'all, Merry Christmas. We can finally say it. Happy December 1st. God bless y'all, and I will see y'all on the very next one. Bye, friends.